What's up there, guys, ladies and gentlemen, it's your guy again here, Ricky Raven, and today we are going to the US car meet here in Merzig-Germany, where I went to school back then when I was a teenager. And yeah, I can't wait to see some big ass V8 cars. And oh, in addition to that, my buddy's Green Day tribute band, what's the name, will be playing here in a few, so let's go and check them out. Now we already got some nice Chevys here. Here's a bar, tiki bar, something like that. Dude, what would be a US car meet without a Dodge Ram? Dude, Dodge S10. Of course, we got another Ram here on Saturday. Another Ram. Take a look at that El Camino, man. That color is just so beautiful, old vintage white. We got a DeSoto, and we got a 66 Mustang from a friend of mine. Shout out, man. He's a good painter. It's his mom's Mustang. Another Chevy, and a Chevy truck. Dude, that thing kicks ass. Look at these torque thrusts. Now that's what I call some nice asses. Now that's a nice Chevy here. How deep you want to go? Yes. Dude, take a look at that Cadillac DeVille, man. It's longer than a train. All American muscle power right here. My boys right here doing sound check. Well, since the weather crashed a bit an hour ago there, where some cars leaving, but tomorrow will be another day, so we'll see what will be happening here tomorrow, so let's be prepared. In the streets of shame, when you cross your teeth and the rain, there's no signs of hope. Take a look at that Charger, man. This is just crazy. Vielen Dank. The next song is... Ah, there are some nice girls posing for a Mustang. Tears from another broken home. So hey, ladies and gentlemen, day 2 of US car meet here in Merzig-Germany. And since I had my own Ford Mustang back then in the day, I like to see what's running around here in the state when it comes to old V8s and stuff. So yeah, let's be prepared and have some fun. Dude, I swear this car comes straight from Hot Wheels. Look at that old Mustang. Beautiful it is. And take a look at that Chevy Nova. Bro, look at that Elbrock block. Dude, that's top tier right there. Hey, that one we had yesterday in red. Well, it was a Ford, it wasn't exactly that one, but kind of like that, hot rod. Look, those old Ford trucks. That's crazy. Take a look at that Ram, man. Did you see those pipes? That's crazy. Dude, look, these Ford F100s. They are so sick. Another batch of pickups here, man. Look how fat that Dodge Ram is. Dude, I swear. Dude, I swear, it's so crazy. My head fits in there. This is fucking crazy. My head fits in here. Well, by the way, look those rims, bro. Kick ass. We got an old 68 here in green. Beautiful color. That interior is nice though. It's so clean, looks like new. Crazy. Dude, it's so clean. I swear that's clean as fuck. Made in USA. That's awesome. It's just pure awesomeness. Even the paint job is still so good. I don't know if I told before, but I like trucks. I love trucks. I still can't get over this. It's so fucking big. Bro, I have to lift my arms to see what is over here. Look at those American flag windows. Real American Eagle power here, right? Old Ford trucks. Got another big ass Ram over here. Blue. I love blue cars. New Camaro. Sick one. Comes from Luxembourg. Did I actually tell that I love trucks? Oldest Ford police car. How sick is that? I swear that was a police car once. It just looks like. Now look what we got here. Since I love flames, this is my shit, bro. Old ass Chevy still kicking ass. It looks so tasty in there, like a candy almost. I mean, we all heard of a big black Cadillac. This is just so sexy. I swear, so clean. Even if you can't see it through the camera, but this is awesome. Paint job can tell how old it is, but it's so beautiful. It's really... There we go, we got a real American school bus here. Man, big ass engine. I wonder how it looks in there. No stepmom. I never went in one of these, I always wanted to. Crazy. This is so big. Well, it's not that big actually compared to European buses, but that feeling is just wow. That's so cool. Like that old big ass Dodge truck. Man, it's an old Ram. 150. This is so beautiful, man. Look at that trunk, bro. Man, this looks so gorgeous with the wood and stuff. Now let's take a look from the inside. This is pure porn. This is pure American porn. And let's take a look at this F350 Super Duty here. This is crazy big. We'll take a look at these tires, man. I might need to get this on my arms, tattoo it. Sick. Did I actually told you guys that I love trucks? You gotta see this. Oh, this is crazy. You can see some bit of the engine through the ribs. It's just so beautiful, man. Bro, big ass Cadillac Escalade, man. Look at those rims. That's what I call a family car, man. That's what I call a family car. Man, take a look at this Corvette, bro. V8. 5.7 liters. Big ass rims. This is just such of a classic, man. I swear I love white Mustangs, man. Old Pontiac. Nice color though. Newer Mustang. The Wing GT. It's just hell of a beauty, man. Ah, take a look at this interior, man. This is just beautiful, dude. Got some real country music action here. It's good mood all over the place. It's beautiful. We don't have events like that often here, but when we have, it's fucking beautiful. Dude, take a look at that, man. Wow. I think that one we know from yesterday, but see that engine. I swear. This is crazy. Have you ever seen something beautiful like this? Man, this is crazy. This is so beautiful. Take a look at this old Roadrunner. This is insane. And this interior kicks ass with the Roadrunner back there. Awesome. It smells like a It smells like my old Mustang. Dude, it's crazy. Well, yesterday I saw that old El Camino for the first time and it haunted me in my dreams last night, and here it is. We gotta take a look at this engine. This car is so beautiful. Wow. I don't know if you can see it, but this is, yeah, it's just a dream. I love El Caminos. Now look at this. You hear that V8? Old big ass Dodge Viper here from Luxembourg. That's pure awesomeness. I mean, we all wanted one of these back in the day, right? This Viper just kicks ass. Double pipes there. VP666, that thing comes from hell, I swear. Take a look at this Ford, man. This is so cool. F-150 Ranger with a hardtop on it. This is cool. '9055 Buick Special, man. V8. Black and white porn. This car is beautiful. Wow. I swear this car is so evil looking. Old Buick. See, it's got the whole menu here. It's beautiful. Wow. And it's long. It's really long. I swear that thing can't swim. It's so long. It's longer than a ship, man. You gotta see this Lincoln Continental, man. It's a real Mark IV. Man, it's such a beauty. That's the shit right here. Got some cool motorcycles here. Got another Continental here. Wow. This is beautiful, man. I still can't get over this truck. You guys gotta see this Mustang. The heck. There it's written. Take a look at this beautiful green. Sick. Camaro SS right here. Wow. It's just a beauty. It's a legend, man. It's a Camaro SS. I still can't get over it. I love trucks. US Army section right here. Prestone 44. Crazy. This is crazy. Never saw never saw something like that. This is cool. Now take a look at this Ford Sprint. Wow. This interior is just candy. That's just so sweet. Got a nice ass too. Old ass rims, American style. Wow. Big ass Jeep Grand Cherokee with the big Brembos on here. Wow. And that's a family car right here. This is crazy cool. I love that gray color, man. Got an old Chrysler right here. Beautiful. Oh, that's a big car. Oh, you can smell the V8s, that typical American, I don't know how to pronounce it, how to call it, but it's, when they drive along to you, you smell that vibe. You smell that vibe. It's just crazy. It's awesome. Got a Mustang Fox body here. Looks actually pretty cool though. That red is just so beautiful. With the cream interior. Alright, cool. Some nice Dodges here. I think that's an SRT Hellcat. Crazy, with the big Brembos. big ass Brembos there. That's where you put it in, huh? Oldsmobile from Luxembourg. It's beautiful. Oldsmobile 85 with the white top on. This is cool. This is so cool. I love the color, man. The classic Corvette. The big hood. Wow. Look at that engine, bro. This is big. Wow. Pelham blue interior. I think it's Pelham blue. It looks so good. Guys, look at that ass. Wow. Big ass Ford coming out of here. Wow. Assholes in the mirror are bigger than they appear. I'm still not over it. There it is. I want it. Please someone gift it to me or so. Dude, those pipes. I mean, I had place for it. Even if I had to live in, I'd take it. Fanboy of a truck, can tell you that. I'm really a fan, dude. Take a look at that engine bay. This was made with love. Wow. For performance, like beauty, this is wonderful. With the horse in the hood, dream. It's a well done festival here. Dude, Ford 9064 Ranchero. Take a look at these colors, man. This is different. Wow. This is really well made. This is so cool. All American over here. There it is, ridden Ranchero. Wow. The classic Ram 1500. More trouble to come in here. Wow, that looks good. I just fell in love with another Mustang. This red is gorgeous. Guys, this is different. Wow. Take a look at those wheels, man. Crazy. That interior is so beautiful. Wow. Pickup gang leaving the place. Wow. It's cool to see those things in action, man. It's crazy. Wow. There it is in action, man. It's just crazy. Hey guys, isn't that a dream? Isn't that the shit? This is so cool. Old Caddy Fleetwood. This is gonna be my last ride. Wow. This is crazy. Old beautiful Corvette. F48. The white creamy interior. Wow. If this is the original plate, man, I'm blown away. Wow. Okay.
Und das war die Nummer, die hatte. Und das lag hinten im Auto. Normalerweise holen die.
So the owner just told me that this is the original plate from Florida. This is playing crazy. It's so cool. Wow. Guys, this, wow, crazy. That's a real Ford Thunderbird. Wow. Take a look at this interior. Wow. I'm speechless. What an ass. So guys, that's it for me today. And yeah, it was a wonderful, beautiful Oldtimer meeting here, US car meeting. And it's what? Alright guys, I gotta continue saying goodbye from home because my phone died during the last seconds of the video. Battery was empty, so yeah. I hope you had fun as much as I did, and as you can see, there is some rim action going on here. That means there is something coming, which is my new car. It's on the ship, on its way, to me. So if you destroy that subscribe button there, if you smash it, if you, I don't know what you do with it, but push it, yeah, to stay tuned. What happens next? My name is Ricky Raven. Thanks for watching, and it's all about cars and guitars. Bye.